Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best toaster oven pans is probably one of the most underrated kitchen accessories, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in your cooking experience. From crispy pizzas to perfectly toasted bread, a good pan can unlock a whole new world of culinary possibilities in your compact oven. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? That's what we're here to find out. Number 5. Chicago Metallic 4-Piece Nonstick Toaster Oven Set. This set includes a baking pan, cooling rack, roast cake pan, and muffin pan. It's perfect for all your small batch baking and reheating needs. Made from heavyweight aluminized steel, it ensures superior heat conduction and even baking. The nonstick coating makes food release easy. All pieces nest together for compact storage. It's ideal for RVs, small kitchens, and single-serving meals. It is a perfect companion for countertop ovens and air fryers. Great for baking muffins, cookies, small cakes, roasting vegetables, reheating leftovers, and more. The cooling rack even doubles as a baking rack. It's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended to extend its life. The nonstick coating ensures quick cleanup. What we like? This set is a complete package, including multiple pans for various baking needs. It features a nonstick coating, making it easy to clean. If you're looking for a versatile set that can handle everything from muffins to roasting, and you have limited space, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great quality and size. I love this toaster oven utensil set. The pieces are sturdy, well made, and the nonstick coating works perfectly. Ideal for baking in a small oven or toaster. So far they performed very well. Non-stick is great, no warping, and cleanup very easy. They are heavy, and built heavy-duty so you get both. These are perfect in size for my air fryer oven, also good on regular oven. Love that food doesn't stick, easy to clean. Number 4. Ecolution 4-Piece Nonstick Toaster Oven Bakeware Set. Introducing the Ecolution 4-Piece Bakeware Set, designed specifically for your toaster oven. This set is built to perform and last, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. The set includes an 8.5 by 6.5 cookie sheet and rack, a 6-cup muffin pan, and an 8.5 by 6.5 cake pan. It has everything you need to create delicious meals and snacks. The extra durable construction offers even heat distribution. The superior nonstick coating prevents food from sticking, ensuring easy food release and cleanup. Cleaning up is a breeze because the entire set is 100% dishwasher safe. This saves you time and effort after every use. This set is perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms and apartments. It solves space concerns without sacrificing your ability to cook and bake. The advanced nonstick technology is water-based and manufactured without PFOA. You can use it with confidence. What we like? This set is built to last with its durable construction and even heat distribution. The nonstick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup. If you're looking for a convenient and easy to clean set, especially for small spaces like dorm rooms or apartments, you should consider this one. What people say. The pans fit perfectly in my small toaster oven. They are easy to clean. The quality of the pans is great. Number 3. TeamFar 7-foot x 9.3 Stainless Steel Toaster Oven Pan. This toaster oven pan is made of high-grade 430 stainless steel. It's a healthy and safe choice for your cooking, with no toxic coating or materials to worry about. The pan is made of pure stainless steel, ensuring no harmful substances will contaminate your food. It's a durable and reliable option for everyday use. The pan features a mirror-finished surface, making it easy to clean. The smooth roll edges prevent any rough spots, ensuring a pleasant experience. Feel the sturdy quality of this pan in your hands. It's built to last, resisting warping and providing a long service life. The deep, full sides of the pan keep your food contained. This design prevents liquids from spilling, keeping your oven clean. What we like? Made from pure stainless steel, this pan offers a healthy and safe cooking experience. The mirror finish makes it easy to clean, and the heavy-duty construction ensures it will last. If you prioritize healthy cooking and easy maintenance, this pan is an excellent option for you. What people say. I'm so glad I chose this particular tray because it has higher sides than the one that came with my toaster oven. They are definitely made from stainless steel and should last a long time. These fit perfectly in my toaster oven that I use to broil vegetables and ground beef almost daily. They haven't warped, although broiling exceeds the recommended temperature limit, 450 F, I think. Better than aluminum, which can be toxic and look awful after repeated use. Number 2. GoodCook 4-piece Nonstick Toaster Oven Set. Introducing the GoodCook 4-piece Nonstick Steel Toaster Oven Set. This set includes everything you need for your toaster oven baking needs. The set includes a sheet pan, baking rack, cake pan, and a muffin pan. It's the perfect collection for various baking tasks. Each piece is designed to distribute heat evenly. This ensures your baked goods cook thoroughly for the best results. The scratch-resistant non-stick coating provides easy food release. You can serve directly from the pans without any hassle. Made from heavy-duty steel, this set resists warping. It's built to withstand years of quality baking. All items are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. However, hand washing is recommended to extend their lifespan. What we like? This set ensures even heat distribution for thorough baking, guaranteeing the best results every time. The non-stick coating provides an excellent mess-free release. If you want consistently well-baked goods and easy cleanup, this set is a great choice. What people say. Quality: small pans from my small air-fry toaster oven. Super easy to clean. They fit my small air fryer toaster oven. Easy to clean. Can hold high temps, and the non-stick makes items just slide right out. Number 1. Walooza Non-Stick Baking Sheets. This non-stick baking sheet is crafted from high-quality, food-safe carbon steel. The material is heavy-duty and easy to clean, making it a great addition to any kitchen. This small sheet pan is ideal for individual meals, jelly rolls, or reheating leftovers. It's the perfect size for a toaster oven, offering versatility in your cooking. The set includes 2 pans, giving you options for toasting and baking simultaneously. This is especially useful if you need replacement toaster oven trays. Cleaning up is a breeze with this baking sheet. Simply rinse it under water or put it in the dishwasher. This bakeware set saves you time in the kitchen. If you're not satisfied, contact us. Our excellent customer service ensures you have a worry-free experience after your purchase. What we like? This set is crafted from high-quality, non-stick carbon steel, making it easy to clean. The small size is perfect for single servings or small batches. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-clean set for small meals, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. After frequent use they still look new. No need to grease, nothing sticks. Great quality and very easy to clean. Fits perfectly in my toaster oven. Able to use for pizza, chicken, or muffins. Cooks evenly. Easy to clean if you use aluminum foil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.